Hello everyone, welcome to Layman Solution. In this video, we'll see how you can transfer WhatsApp chat from old phone to new phone. So let's get started. For this, you need to head to WhatsApp. Click on the three dot option here. Go to settings, chats, scroll down to chat backup. Here, you need to give your Google account to let WhatsApp backup chat. Make sure you provide the account you use regularly on your phone. On your new phone, you need to make sure that you are using this particular email account to sign up on Gmail or Google. That is, on your old phone and on your new phone, your email address should be same. Once you have given your email address, click on backup option here. Make sure that you have backed up WhatsApp chat before downloading WhatsApp on your new phone, as this method is necessary, so do not forget it. Now, on your new phone, install WhatsApp. Sign up on WhatsApp using your phone number. You'll receive an OTP or 6-digit code. Enter that, and after that, you'll get an option to backup from Google Drive. Click on that, and your chat will get backed up on your new phone. So in this way, you can back up any chat from your old phone to your new phone. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much.